My name is Sai Teja. I am from Triple department. Today, Tech Talk topic is about human electromagnetic field explored in 5G at 28 GHz. Topics: Introduction, Biological mechanism of EMF interaction, Health risks assignments, Technological advancement in 5G development, Regularity framework and monitoring, Public health and safety communication, emerging areas of research, global global perspective and differences in regulations, advantages and disadvantages of 5G technology. Human electromagnetic field explored in 5G at 28 GHz. Introduction. The advent of 5th generation 5G mobile technology represents a significant leap in telecommunication, offering enhanced data speed, reduced latency, and improved connectivity for an ever increasing number of devices. One of the key frequency band designed for 5G is 28 GHz, which falls within millimeters wave wave spectrum. The frequency range is characterized by unique propagation properties and the ability to support high capacity networks that the handles vast amount of data, making it ideal for applications such as augmented reality, autonomous vehicles, and the Internet of Things (IoT). However, the development of 5G, particularly at higher frequency like 28 GHz, has raised concern regarding human exposure to electromagnetic field (EMF). As the use of mobile technology become understanding the implications of EMF explores on health and safety in essential for public acceptance and regularities compelling. Biological mechanism of EMF interaction. Absorption characteristics. At 28 GHz, the skin is the primary site of the energy absorption due to the dielectric properties of biological tissues. The absorption coefficient increases with the frequency, meaning higher frequencies are absorbed more readily. This result is very shallow penetration, typically only a few millimeters into the skin. Potential biological effect, thermal effect, cellular response mechanism. Thermal effect, the heat generated by EMF explored at 28 GHz can induce mild thermal effect which are mostly localized. This effect are generally not harmful under normal explore conditions. Cellular response mechanism. Some studies suggest the electromagnetic field can affect cellular processes such as genes expression, cell proliferation, and apoptosis. This mechanism needs to be carefully evaluated in context of 5G frequency, particularly conquering prolonged explores. Health risk assignments. Current research finding the majority of studies investigation the effect of EMF from mobile communication including 5G have focused on frequency below 6 GHz. Research specific to 20 GHz is more limited but generally show no evidence of adverse health effect at explore level below regularity limits. Cancer risk. Comprehensive reviews and meta-analysis conducted by organizations such as WHO and the international agencies by research on cancer IARC have not found conclusive evidence linking low-level EMF explore from mobile phones or base station to increased risk of cancer. Health risk assessment. Specific health concurrent. Reproductive health. Some animal studies have suggested that EMF explore may affect the fertility or fetal development. However, results are inconsistent and often dependent on explore condition. requiring further investigation in human population. Neurological effect. Ongoing research is investigating whether long-term exposure to EMF might have impact on neurological health, including cognitive function. Preliminary findings have not shown significant effect, but the topic remains an active area of research. Technological advancement in 5G development, small cell technologies, beam forming and MIMO technologies, small cell technologies. Small cell technologies. 5G technologies use small cells, which are low power base stations installed in various urban locations. This technology facilitates increased capacity and improved signal qualities, but can lead to higher exposure in densely populated area due to the proximity of these cells. Dynamic power control. Modern 5G network incorporate dynamic power control mechanism to adjust transmission power based on user demand, reducing unnecessary explosion when fewer users are present. Beam, fo- forming and MIMO technology. Beam forming. This technology enables antenna to focus signals towards specific users rather than broadcasting in all directions. This focused approach reduces all over power emissions and minimizes exposure to bystanders. Beam form multiple input multiple output MIMO technology uses multiple antennas at the transmitter and receiver to enhance data transmission rate and reliability. This technology also contributes to reducing explosions by directing signals from more efficiency. Regularities framework and monitoring. Global regulatory bodies. Various countries have established regulatory framework based on guidelines from ICNIRP, WHO, and the FCC. This organization regularly review and update explores limits in light of new scientific evidence. Some regions are more conservative in their approaches, imposing stricter limits or requiring additional safety measures in densely populated areas. Monitoring and completion. Regulatory agencies conduct their regular monitoring of EMF explosive levels in urban environment to ensure compliances with safety standards. This monitoring helps to identify any potential accidents, to explore limits and allows the promote action. Public health and safety communication, public awareness campaigns. As 5G technology rollout, public health agencies and organizations are conducting campaigns to inform the public about the safety of 5G. This initiative aim to dispel myth and educate the public on the scientific basis of EMF safety standards. Addressing public concern, engaging with communities and addressing specific concern about 5G explosives crucial. Workshops, informational seasons, and accessible resources can help alleviate fears and provide evidence based on information. Emerging areas of research, impact of long-term explosives, vulnerable population, environmental studies, impact of long-term explosives, longitudinal studies are needed to assess the long-term effects of low-level explosives to 5G frequencies. Understanding cumulative explosives and its potential health impact is vital. Vulnerable population research focusing on potential vulnerable populations, example children, pregnant women, and individuals with pre-existing health conditions, will help identify any unique risk associated with EMF explosives. Environmental studies investigating the ecological impact of increased electromagnetic radiation from 5G infrastructures is also emerging and important areas of research, particularly conquering wildlife and plant health. global perspectives and differences in regulations. International variation. Different countries may adopt varying approaches to EMF regulation based on culture, political, and scientific considerations. Some regions have adopted some stricter explore limits, while others have embraced 5G development with minimal restrictions. Cooperative and research sharing. International collaboration among researchers, regulatory bodies, and health organizations is essential for addressing concurrent and developing standardized safety measurements. Advantages of 5G technologies: enhanced data speed, reduced latency, increased connectivity. These are the advantages of 5G technologies. Disadvantages of 5G technologies: health concurrent, infrastructure requirement, high cost. Health concurrent EMF exploit. The rollout of 5G, especially at higher frequency like 28 GHz, raises concern about potential health risk from prolonged exposure to electromagnetic field. While regularities bodies maintain that current explore levels are safe, public some infrastructure and requirement. Dense network of small cells. 5G requires a dense network of small cells to provide coverage, particularly in urban areas. This may lead to increased visual population and challenges in zoning regulations for antenna installation. Higher cost investment in infrastructure. Upgrading existing infrastructure to support 5G is costly. Mobile network operators face significant investment requirement for new equipment and the installation of small cell towers. These are the disadvantages of 5G technologies. Thank you.